Okay, we are still in the science, all right, the computer science study, and you should have already covered the 2's complement, but sometimes there are other complements and it can be used inside your test or your exam question. They are rare, but they do occur, all right. And in this particular session, we will look at one of these questions, and I'll be using that question to generate the answer, all right. And part of it will require the 9 and 10 complement, okay. So it's a three-part question, basically, all right. So this is the question. Then you have part A, part B, and part C, all right. So a car has an odometer which measure distance travel in kilometers. So at the start of the journey, it shows 99940, okay, on the meter. And at the end of the journey, it shows 00230. Basically, it has gone through one whole cycle. So it restart from 0 and then it goes up again. So the part A is using common sense, okay, reasoning, all right, just using common sense reasoning, find the distance travel. And part B, all right, try calculating this, okay, by taking the beginning from the end using a calculator. So what is the problem? Okay, we can actually already know what this is going to happen, right? But anyway, I'll go through all the A, B's as well as C. And C is a tricky part. All right, C actually indicates 9 complement is defined as the number obtained by subtracting each digit by 9. Okay, so it has defined it. And 10 complement is obtained by adding 1 to the 9 complement. So they have given you the 9 complement definition, and the 10 complement is actually by adding 1 to the 9 complement. And you're supposed to show a calculation to get the correct answer by taking the question, right, 99940, which is over here, right, and convert it to its 9 complement, then convert it to its 10 complement, then add this to the 00230. So this 00230 is actually the end, and prove that it actually still get the same answer, which means it works. All right, it works. Okay, let's start. I'll go through all three of this. Okay, if you already have no issue with the part A and part B, then you just keep to the video of part C. Okay, but if you want to, but for this video, I will go through all three of them, all right, just so that the whole question is complete. Okay, let's take a look at part A. All right, the part A says use reasoning, okay, which is common sense. Okay, so what does it actually mean? Well, the odometer start at 99940, okay, and it goes to 0, then it goes to 00230. These are all obtained from the question. All right, so how many kilometers did this traveling take place? Okay, so what's the distance? So from 99940 to 99999, okay, so you can do a subtraction. You will get 59. Then you must remember from 99999 you switch to all 0 because it has gone through one full circle, right, which is 00000. This is actually a 1, okay, because you just move one more. Then from 00000 to 00230 is another 230 kilometer. Okay, so when you add all these things up, 9 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 230 kilometer, and you sum it up, you totally have traveled 290 kilometers. So this is your part A answer. You actually travel 290 kilometers because of the odometer going to 0, going to a smaller number. Part B asks you to take the n number of the odometer and subtract it with the start number of the odometer, which is definitely incorrect because the n number is only 200 plus. The start number is 9,900 or 99,900 plus. So when you take a small number and you subtract it with a large number, you will get a negative number, and you did not travel a negative number. All right, so therefore it is definitely incorrect because you could not have traveled so far and still have a negative traveling distance. All right, so part B is definitely just indicates that, okay, this doesn't work. All right, it's incorrect. Now for part C, okay, there is a few parts. Okay, first, the question already defined the 9's complement. So the 9's complement is defined as the number obtained by subtracting each digit from 9. So the number that we have is 99940. So if I want a 9 complement based on this definition here, which is given in your question, I will have to subtract it from 99999. Okay, so if I subtract it from 99999, I will get 9, and subtract, I'll get 5, then the front I will subtract, get 0, 0, and 0. Okay, so I actually end up with the answer 00059. Okay, if I follow the 9's complement rules in your question. Then the question continue with the 10 complement, and it indicates in the question that the 10 complement is obtained by adding 1 to the 9 complement. So the previous section I got this 00059. So if I use the 10 complement, say take the 9 complement, which is this one, plus 1, I actually get 60. And the question further asks me to add this to 230. So if I take the 230, I add the 60, I will get 290, which is the same answer as the part A. See, same answer as the part A. All right. And since it is the same answer as the part A, then it's proven that 9 complement and the 10 complement, all right, approach in part C, okay, actually will get us the result that we use in the part A, which is using our common sense, all right, our logic, common sense reasoning, all right, and therefore I say yes, it's proven to be true.